Well, well, well. Fancy seeing you here, mate. So this is Benny.
Hey, this is my red 180SX.
Okay.
So this is Mitch, and this is his really sick, nice JDM styled 180.
Yeah, so I went through Iron Chef Imports, and I thought it was going to be a super simple process. So when I bought it, it was pretty much completely standard except for the normal things, so exhaust, coilovers, and wheels. When I got this, I don't know if you can put a photo into the video.
What it looked like originally?
Yeah, it came with an atrocious steering wheel, had an awful rear bumper.
So you did have the bucket seat in it originally though when you got it, hey?
Yeah, correct.
So you can see the bucket there, that's very different being blue, but it looks sick. No, but you say you've been slow with the mods, but you bought this 6 months? You've had it for 6 months?
Yeah, about 6 months now.
And dude, look at it.
Yeah.
It's looking amazing already.
Long-term plans, eventually put a T28 S15 turbo into it.
Yep.
Front mounts.
Super cool, like all the little accessories he has, like you just put the Type X seat in as well, hey?
Yeah,
He's
put
got
a
like
model Type XC. Got
shirt stuck in cup holder, which is cool as well.
Can you tell us more about your wheels?
So rear wheels are SSR MK1s.
So juicy.
So they're 15 by 7.0 offset on the rear.
That's a fun fact actually. You bought these wheels, they have like the rear wheels, before you even owned the car, correct? Before you even owned a 180, you bought those wheels to put on a 180.
Yeah. It's just,
And the fronts?
yeah, so the front,
Man, they poke a lot.
Yeah, need it. So the fronts are Devil Japan Shadow spokes.
Mm-hmm.
They're very, very rare wheels. I knew about them for a while, and I just never thought I would ever come across a pair.
Yep.
So one day I was going through Gumtree and found a pair for sale.
Yeah.
I didn't really believe it. I thought I was going to get stabbed.
The wheel setup on this is perfect.
Yeah.
So cool. It's actually like, we touched on it before, it's the perfect like 90s VHS togue vibe. It's so cool.
Mitch, I think you should show us how it goes. I mean, it's stock, but we need to go for a drive anyway.
Yeah,
I like this car.
Definitely.
Cool, let's do it.
How to fit 3 grown adults in a 180.
Don't sit on the fire extinguisher.
Oh, that's good, man. It's lit, fam.
For anyone that's ever been in the back of the 180, you know how much of a struggle this is. Your head will be touching the hatch, watch.
Oh, true.
Sit straight up and watch your head hit the glass.
Oh, what the f? What's with these lights, dog? We've been waiting here for 3 hours.
That's it, I'm running him. Turn the cameras off.
We'll put it down, man.
We need to hold your tofu while you're at Wakefield, dude.
I mean, this is fucking
Finally.
I use my phone, I just put my phone in it.
Boy, that was red, mate.
Nah, plenty of green left in that orange.
That was fine.
There's green left in that orange.
Hey, that was a thick mirror.
That's a massive thing in Japan, Broadway mirrors.
Yeah.
I didn't even know about it until I got the car and everyone kept mentioning it. And I just pretended I was like, yeah.
Oh, so that came in the car as well?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Scrubbage, boys.
Yeah, boys.
I'll hold like this. Pretty good.
I can get like that.
Head unit too. That's factory option as well, isn't
it
it?
is,
That's
yeah.
so cool.
Are you joking?
No.
No.
Yeah. Oh. Holy hell! I didn't even know that happened.
Go home.
So on another note, driving the car wise,
Don't do it.
no, this feels so much. You guys have seen my 180, like stripped out interior, roll cage, everything. This thing feels like heaven and so comfortable comparatively. But yeah, I love that it's like full interior, but it's still with the bucket seat as well.
Yeah.
So cool.
It's a nice look. It's like factory plus.
I always wonder what the old owner was like.
Yeah, it was like,
Well, the CD, funny enough, the CD that he left in the player was like for anime openings.
really?
Yeah. So,
scrubbage again.
Even though it had the bad body kit and steering wheel, that was one of the biggest reasons I bought it.
Yeah. So
like
you still got the same front bar though, right?
Yeah,
the X kit.
everything's-
That actually does look good. I do like it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's kind of like an exaggerated Type X bar,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Yeah, a little bit more fat, but not too aggressive.
Oh, that's the other thing. This is a Type X, but not with all the factory aero stuff, right?
Yeah, so 95, the year before they got it all. And that's why I got it cheap. Because the 95 to
Is where the
98.
Type X tax comes in.
It's where the big boy tax comes in.
Yeah.
And funny enough, those sort of cars were being bought back by Japan buyers. So they were buying the cars back from auction and holding them. So what they would do is they would buy a Type X with minor damage and do a really like bodgy job fixing it.
Yeah.
And then it would go back on the market. So I saw a lot of cars being recycled through auctions. Like even this car went through like a dodgy respray just before it went up on auction, which is super common.
Yeah,
auctions.
right. Just because they have condition ratings when they get imported and
Absolutely,
stuff.
yeah. So it's a very common thing.
Welcome to our bustling CBD. Pillory.
Take the dog.
Does your seatbelt keep coming undone?
Yeah, it's
I heard that too before. I was like, you're kidding.
I didn't question you about it. But
No,
that was good.
so what it is it's a Nissan factory option where, and I'm serious, when the seatbelt is engaged, after I think 30 seconds or 45 seconds, it loosens as a comfort thing with me. So what I do is I just like unclick it and click it straight back in.
Oh, right.
So it retightens.
Alright, so we just finished up our drive with Mr. Mitchell. Thanks heaps, that was super rad.
That's right.
Shout out to, what's your Instagram, Mitch?
Kagi Red Sun.
Which I'll also chuck up on the screen now. Chuck in the description. Hot Boy Style as well is another page that Mitch runs. If you want to see more like super sick 90s
Well, VHS
things.
style. Nice.
Yeah, more VHS style stuff. A lot of our cards are in it as well, including Mitch's, and you saw Liam's car yesterday. So check that out. And yeah, that was super rad.
Sweet.
Thanks,
guys.
dog.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for the ride along.
No worries.
Shaka. Oi mate, I don't think you make it. Easy.
Not a worry, mate.
Oh.